Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can duplicate dashboards from one sub-account into the other. As the agency owner, maybe you are selling customized dashboards if you're on the 497 plan, and this feature will help you to transfer these dashboards a lot faster. Okay, make sure that you're logged into the relevant sub-account where you would like to pull the dashboard from. So click on dashboards on the left. At the top, just click on the drop-down menu dashboards and select the dashboard in question. Then let's say we would like to transfer this appointment dashboard over to another account. Click the three dots on the right, select duplicate to another account. You can rename it here, okay, give it a new name or keep the name. Select the account you would like to transfer it to, and then hit duplicate. Nice, the dashboard duplicated successfully. Now let's go and have a look. Change the sub account. Make sure you click on dashboard on the left, click the drop down menu again, scroll down, and here you will see appointment dashboard copy demo. There we go. Let's click on that. Ta-da! And our appointment dashboard has been successfully pulled from one sub account to the other. Amazing. If there are any custom values or fields in the original dashboard, these will not be pulled over to the new dashboard. You will then see this red banner as a notification at the top telling you this. Widgets where such values and fields are missing will be highlighted in red so you can really see where you need to adjust. So you can edit those widgets and update the required fields and values. Click on the edit button, then click on the three dots on any widget, then click edit, and right here you would add the missing value. Once done, click save and the arrow state will disappear. Make sure to hit the save changes top right corner and you're good to go. And that's it already. This is how you copy one dashboard from one sub account to the other as the agency owner. I will see you in the next video.